To explore the in-call host control during an ongoing call on your Android device using JioMeet app. Tap on the participants icon to control participants' actions. Tap on the Force Mute All icon and confirm your action by selecting Yes to mute all participants. To unmute, tap on the Undo Force Mute button and confirm your action by selecting Yes to unmute all participants. To explore more action, tap on the participant's name and select Make Co-host to appoint the participant as co-host. Similarly, tap on the participant's name and select Remove as co-host to denominate. Tap on the Mute All icon and confirm your action by selecting OK to mute all participants. See, it's that simple. Happy meetings!